What will I gain if I didn't review products that delivers the best results? So if you are craving to have a bright, glowing and a spotless skin, and you know nowadays products are very plenty in the market that you find it hard and it's complicated to purchase products that won't leave bad reviews on your skin. Are you in the category of persons that whenever they use products on their body, it gives them knuckles on their hands, on their toes? Then the product I'll be reviewing in this video will help to clear them off. Okay, if you have hyperpigmentation, or if you are an oily skin, dry skin type, or you have a very sensitive skin that any little product you use reacts to your skin, then don't need to skip this video. You don't need to skip this video. This product I'll be reviewing is 10 out of 10. Clock it. The first product I'll be talking about is the Skeenpoint body lotion. This lotion comes in 3 different colors. It comes in the pink one, the orange and the blue one. I will be talking about the pink glow booster body lotion. So you see this very lotion right in front of me. It's a glow booster. Like, it's very effective, very nice. This product contains kojic acid and alpha arbutin. These are the 2 main contents in this lotion, and they are in small percentage, and that's why this lotion can never bleach your skin. It cannot give you any type of skin reaction in any form. Then this lotion helps to clear your knuckles. Okay, it also helps to clear your hyperpigmentations, and if you know you have stretch mark, this lotion is safe for you. This lotion is 500 ml in size. It can actually last very long for you. And then you know one thing I love about this lotion? This lotion contains SPF 30, and this SPF 30 helps to protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. If you are a dry skin type, this lotion is very moisturizing, and if you are an oily skin person, then this lotion is fast absorbing. It's a non-greasy lotion. This lotion is safe to be used in the morning and also at night. Okay, and if you have used this lotion and maybe it darkened you, then I suggest you go for the bath. Make sure you are using it with the liquid bath for best results. Moving forward, the next product I'll be talking about in today's video is the Glow Booster Lightening Body Oil. Do you know that this oil is one of the best selling oil in the market today? If you want your skin to shine, then you need to pair this oil with this lotion I reviewed in today's video. You see this lotion and this body oil I reviewed now, you should sleep on it. Honestly, this oil is for all skin types. It brightens the skin, give you a healthy and a glowing skin. Please and please, don't only depend on this oil to lighten up your skin. For some of you that have complained that this oil make them dark, don't depend on this oil to lighten up your skin. Always pair it with a good lightening soap. You can pair it with the lotion I just reviewed today, and also you can also use it with the Skeenpoint body wash. Okay, so you have the best results. This oil contains kojic acid, alpha arbutin, vitamin E and some other natural plant extracts. Okay, and that makes this oil very unique. This oil also contains SPF 30, which protects your skin from harmful UV rays. So you can see, you can use this oil in the morning with confidence. This oil is fast absorbing, it's non-greasy, and that's why it's best for those with oily skin, and for those of us that sweat a lot, then this oil is very good for you. And this oil helps to clear discolorations. If you know you have used so many products and you are not having one color, maybe you have 2 or 3 colors on your skin, then this oil helps to blend and make you have one uniform complexion. Okay? And finally, before I forget, make sure you purchase the original of this oil, because currently this oil has imitation. So make sure you purchase the original one from a trusted vendor. And one of the way you can spot the original one is at the side of this oil they inscribed Skeenpoint. They did not write it though, it is inscribed on the bottle of this oil. So whenever you want to purchase this oil, look out for this, okay, so that you buy the original of this oil. Thank you all for watching my video to this extent. For my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. And if today is the first time you are watching my video on YouTube, yes, in this channel I give you guys updates on skincare products so that you will not go and waste your money buying product that does not work your skin. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your time, and see you on the next video.